Hey guys, Melanie here. I wanted to jump on and tell you guys about a DIY forest bathing basket that you can give to your friends as a gift this Christmas. And some of these things I've purchased at the dollar store or from, the cheap section over at Michael's. And so like the stickers here, let me grab them. So some of these cute stickers, they're over at Michael's right now. And this basket I got from the dollar store. So I just wanted to show you some of these. So this is your basket. And then you want to add in some of this filler stuff, right? And you just open that. And you put your filler in. Now to make it a forest bathing themed basket, it's nice to have some greenery. So I grabbed some greenery from my local Home Depot. You shove those in there, super cute. I like to add some extra little things like those dollar store stickers I was talking about. This is cute to add in. It's a tea towel, right? So just this cute tea towel with some trees and plants on it. You stick that out the edge. I have my forest bathing journal, so some sort of journal that you can write in. There's all sorts of journals available. This is mine. It's called the My Forest Bathing Journal. Super cute. Add that in there. You can add a little gift with maybe an ornament. A little woodland creature is fun. Put that in there. Good. Cute that up. Here's a little bobblehead guy. You can do this for Christmas themed or any time of year. Maybe if a friend is in the hospital or something and they need a little break or a little pick-me-up, pardon me. It's fun to do these things. Look at this cute card I found. This is made by Love Pop. And look at when you open it up, it says beautiful tree. I loved it. So super cute. Add that to your thing. And I always like to add in some essential oils. So I have pine. What do I got here? I have pine, cedar wood, and one more, grounding. Yeah, grounding, super nice. And another really good flavor is called Sacred Mountain, which is amazing for just those calming properties and to help even out our emotions and to help us feel centered and grounded. So great forest scents, and we can just add those to our forest bathing basket. Maybe add a diffuser in there would be awesome. All right, cute. What do you think? Let me know. Little forest bathing basket. Thanks.